Your next car could be the 2020 Toyota Camry Hybrid. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Efficiency and style blend beautifully in this elegant Camry Hybrid, with the latest technology to keep you safe and entertained, and a spacious, luxurious interior you'll look forward to every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: head-up display, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, heated front seat, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, dual zone AC. Hybrid efficiency never felt so luxurious. Treat yourself to a test drive in this exquisite Camry Hybrid. Our knowledgeable and professional staff will make it the best part of your day.